everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to boot into Windows or Steam OS, and you can choose on your Steam Deck here. So I have Windows OS on a micro SD card plugged in here, and I want to launch into the boot manager. So completely turn off your Steam Deck, hold down the power button, shut it up completely off. Then when it's turned off, press the plus icon on the top here, and then press the power button. So I'm just going to press it a little bit, and then it's going to go ahead and turn on. Keep holding down the plus icon, and it's going to show this icon. Then you can go ahead and let go. And then it's going to give you the option for boot manager, set up utility, or boot from file. So if you just went to continue, it's going to boot up like normal. So I'm going to go to boot manager, and we got to use the trackpad and then press R2. And then we have the hard drive. So if I boot into the hard drive, this is going to be SteamOS. If I boot from the SD card, that is going to be Windows. So I just want to choose which one I want to boot from. So SD card right here, this would bring me to Windows 11. If I go to hard drive, long 500 something, I can tap this, and this is going to be SteamOS. Just press R2 on it, use the trackpad, and then you're going to get the Steam icon right here, and it's going to boot up into the proper operating system for you. So you can kind of do a boot based off of whatever you want when you install on a micro SD card. So I used Rufus, I believe. I went ahead and did this. Really easy, and it works well off a SD card. So I can play Warzone or any Call of Duty I want, and then still play my Steam games real quick. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.